Hey guys, welcome back. It's Nicole Andrews with the Eternity Warrior Fit channel and your Get Sexy Abs in 30-Day Challenge. So we have day 5 today. Welcome back. Today we're going to do 4 different exercises and we're going to repeat them again. So we're going to do all 4 twice. All right, so let's get going. If you haven't already, definitely subscribe to this channel and tap the bell to get notified, because then you'll know it's day 6 and day 7 and you're gonna get shredded abs, sexy abs in just 6 minutes a day. Like, how can it get any better than that, right guys? So come down to the ground, lay on your back, and we're gonna start with our legs up the wall. So straighten up your legs, flex your feet, and pistol grip your fingers. And we're just gonna alternate legs down. Keep your legs straight. And we're going to just keep alternating sides. Keep breathing as you crunch it up. Good, keep going, keep going. 20 seconds. You can go as fast or as slow as you want, but just make sure to reach as high as you can go. Really crunch it up. We're engaging our entire core. 5 seconds, guys. Do not stop. Next, we have Suitcase Crunches. Good, so bring it in, hug it in tight. Forehead comes to knee if you can. And then you're gonna expand out. Unzip your suitcase. Take your arms by your ears and then bring it right back in. Crunch it in for that suitcase crunch. Keep breathing. The harder you crunch it in and try to get the forehead to your knees, the harder it is. And float those arms out by your ears. Do not drop any part of your body. Good. So we keep it in. We got 8 seconds to go. You guys are doing awesome. Keep those abs engaged and keep breathing. Next, we're going right back in to legs up the wall. So this time I want you to just straighten your arms, palms up, chin away from your chest, and try to just keep getting those shoulder blades up and up and up. Engage your core. Keep breathing. Keep squeezing those abs. You guys are doing awesome. Take a break if you need it, and then just come right back to it. Flex those feet. Engage your quads. The more you engage, the more you'll see the results. 5 seconds, you can do it. Going right back in to your Suitcase Crunches. So hug it in, tight, tight, tight. Deep breath. Good. Inhale. Arms by the ears, and then zip it up, zip it up. And now you can go as fast or slow as you want, trying to get the forehead to your knees. Good, guys, keep it going. You can do a little roll. Maybe your tailbone comes up a little bit. Arms go back by the ears. Bring it up. Deep inhale. Just about 5 more seconds. You got this. Good job. Next we come up and we're gonna come into Forearm Plank. So come into Forearm Plank and we're gonna roll back on our toes just like yesterday. Forward, back, and then 4 hip dips. We alternate. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? So keep that plank nice and strong. Keep breathing. Suck it up and in. Wrap the ribs up and under. Belly button to spine. Good. Next one we got is a static hold. So just hold it here. Take a break when you need to. Good job. Very, very good. So if you want to kick it up, you guys, drop the knees like a ghost tap and then back up. Almost, you can barely hit the ground and come back up. If you want to make it harder than just a static hold, engage those thighs. 15 seconds. And we're going right back to those obliques for our last minute. Keep it going. Don't stop, don't stop. Good job. And now ready? We roll back and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side to side. Should give you a little reprieve here. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then side to side. Good job, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. You count on your own. Maybe that would, you go as slow as you need to. Take a break when you need to. And just keep pushing because you are a warrior. And we are now complete. That was hard. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought about that one. There's so much when it comes to our core. Our core supports our back, so we have less back pain. We have more balance. We have so much in terms of posture when it comes to strong abs. So I know it's helped my back pain significantly, less blowouts or whatever you call it when your back goes out. But you guys, strong core is everything. So thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't already, take a sip of water, because that definitely was hard. Subscribe to this channel. We have recipes. We have anti-aging interviews coming up next year. And that's it, you guys. Get ready for day 6 tomorrow. So thank you so much for joining me. Love ya. Have a great one.